Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good. Holi is approaching and let's celebrate this Holi with Thandai flavor Royal Faluda. As the name suggests, this drink is very refreshing and very flavorful. So let's start with the recipe. For that we'll need to first make premix of Thandai, and for that I've taken 1 cup of almonds, half cup of cashew nuts. This basically we are going to soak all the nuts. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pistachios. Here I've taken pieces of pistachios, you can take whole pistachios as well. Next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of melon seeds. These are also known as charmakach. In goes 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or badishep and 2 tablespoons of rose petals. This mix is really very flavorful. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. You can increase up to 1 teaspoon, and in goes half inch of cinnamon stick and about 8 cardamom pods. Now add little water and let it soak overnight, or maximum you'll have to soak for 5 hours. Give it a mix and let it soak. This will help to immerse all the flavor into the water. Now let's grind all these ingredients. For that I've taken a mixer grinder and I'll be adding in all the soaked nuts, and you have to grind it very fine. You can grind it in batches as well, but take care that this mix shouldn't be coarsely ground, it should be very fine. As you can see on the screen, I've ground this mixture very finely. Now here I've taken a pan with about 2 cups of water, and in that I'll be adding 2 cups of sugar, and here we are preparing sugar syrup. Give it a mix and let the sugar dissolve completely. Now as you can see, the sugar has dissolved completely, and we are not looking for 1 string or 2 string consistency. It's just the sugar has to be dissolved. After that I'll be adding in the Thandai premix into this, and we are preparing this so that we can store it into refrigerator and use it whenever required. This lasts for at least a month. Give it a mix and keep the flame on low to medium. In some time you will notice this Thandai mix will start becoming thick and will reduce. Keep on stirring so that it don't stick to the bottom, and gradually it will start thickening. Now as you can see, it has reduced. Again I'll mix it and I'll see whether this coats the spatula. Now as you can see on the screen, the spatula is getting coated with this Thandai mix. Just stir for a couple of minutes and then switch off the flame and let this cool down completely. And once it's cooled down, you can refrigerate it and use it whenever required. Here I've taken about 1 liter of milk I boiled it and then I've cooled it, and in that I'll be adding about 8 ladles of this Thandai premix. You can increase or decrease, just taste it, and you can adjust this Thandai premix flavor as per your requirement. Give it a mix. I used about 8 full ladles of this Thandai premix. Now let's assemble this Faluda. For that I have taken a glass, and first layer I'll be putting the rose syrup. That is about 1 tablespoon. Next layer will be the layer of Faluda vermicelli. This I have taken about 2 tablespoons. Again I'll layer it with the rose syrup. This is from the Dabur company. You can use any company rose syrup. Next I'll be adding in sabja seeds. I've soaked these sabja seeds. Then I'll be adding little Thandai mix which we made earlier. Then goes 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Use any flavor ice cream, whatever is your likings and preferences. Next I'll be adding in chopped nuts. I used here almonds, cashew and pistachios. You can use any nuts of your choice. Then I'll top it with some fruits like strawberries, kiwi, black grapes. You can add banana, apple also. Again I'll put the next layer of sabja seeds. Then goes the Thandai mix which we made earlier. By now this has become very chilled. The last layer I'll be adding the scoop of kulfi flavored ice cream. I'll drizzle some rose syrup. Next, top it with some nuts. I use the same nuts which I used before. And lastly, I'll be adding in fruits like strawberry, kiwi and black grapes. And our Thandai flavored royal Faluda is ready to be served. My son just loved this Faluda and I'm sure your family will also relish it. Enjoy this Holi with this Thandai flavored royal Faluda. Let me know your review or suggestions in the comment section below. I hope you will like today's recipe. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so far, and please share this recipe with your friends and family. See you in my next interesting videos. Thank you for your valuable time. Take care and bye-bye.